Hi, my name's Brianne, and I'm here to introduce you to the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Now, as a trainer, I want to let you know this is an excellent tool for shedding fat, burning calories, and increasing your cardiovascular health, all within the comfort of your own home. It is easy to store and super comfortable. All right, let's hop on and get started. First, you want to make sure that you are able to adjust those foot straps to your foot size, which is not only going to ensure comfort, but a safe ride. Starting from the ground up, you're going to be in a nice neutral position. This wide seat allows you to sit comfortably, and what I love about this bike is that you are actually in a very comfortable upright position right off the bat. You're going to grab onto the handlebars, relax your shoulders away from the ears, and keep those abs super tight. Now remember, this bike is designed for all sizes. Next, let's take a look at the monitor. Now in front of you, you have a large, easy to read, performance LCD monitor. As a trainer, there's a lot of measurables that I like to track with my workouts and my clients' workouts. In front of you, you have the ability to see your heart rate, your speed, your calorie burn, and your total time, and your distance. That allows you to not only track your workouts, but progress your workouts and hit your goals. One of my favorite features is the 8-level magnetic tension control system. This is going to allow you to challenge yourself and never get bored. But remember, as you get fitter, you got to crank up that tension to keep challenging your body. Now, as you can see, this is an absolutely incredible bike. It folds up to half its size. It's super easy to store. What are you waiting for?
Schwinn IC3 assembly video. Introducing the new Schwinn IC3 bike. Begin by selecting an area where you are going to set up and operate your bike. For safe operation, the machine must be located on a hard level surface. Please allow a minimum work area of 24 inches around the perimeter of the bike. Be sure that the workout space you chose has adequate height clearance, taking into consideration the height of the user and maximum incline of the fitness bike. Before you begin the assembly, please make sure you read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. Please note that there are some steps in the assembly process that might require 2 people to help with the assembly. Some components of the machine can be heavy or unwieldy. Please use a second person when doing assembly involving these parts. For assembly assistance, please visit us online or give us a call. Check the assembly manual for a complete parts list. Please note that a right R and left L decal has been applied to some parts to assist with assembly. The following wrenches are included with your assembly: a number 2 screwdriver and 6mm Allen wrench, and a combination 15mm and 17mm wrench. Step 1. Attaching the stabilizers to the frame. It is recommended someone assist you with this step. Begin step 1 by locating the main frame, part 1. Next, locate the front stabilizer, part 2, and set it in front of the frame. If a tube is pre-installed in the stabilizer bracket, remove and set it safely aside. The stabilizer has pre-installed hardware that will have to be removed. Using the provided 6mm Allen wrench, remove the top screws and hardware. Next, with some assistance, tilt the frame and insert the stabilizer in front of the frame. Slowly push it in place, matching the top holes. Once the stabilizer is in place, secure it to the frame using the previously removed hardware. The hardware should be installed into the same holes of the stabilizer that they were previously removed from. Start by hand tightening the screws first. Then, fully tighten the screws using the provided 6mm Allen wrench. Once all the hardware is tightly secured, proceed to locating the back of the frame. Locate the rear stabilizer, part 3, and place it by the bottom back of the frame. The rear stabilizer has pre-installed hardware that will have to be removed. Using the provided 6mm Allen wrench, remove the top screws and hardware. Next, with some assistance, tilt the frame and insert the rear stabilizer in place. Once the stabilizer is in place, secure it to the frame using the previously removed hardware. The hardware should be installed into the same holes of the rear stabilizer that they were previously removed from. Start by hand tightening both screws first.
Welcome to Patagonia. I'm Nicole Moline, your iFit trainer. We are about to embark on an amazing journey through the wilderness of Patagonia. This place has called my heart for so long, and I can't wait to share it with you.
Look at where we get to ride today.
We're gonna be riding everything from interval, tempo, and endurance rides in some of the places that are gonna blow your mind.
Take this in. Work might be a four-letter word, but it's not something to avoid. It's something we embrace.
So let's build strength, vision, and sweat drive on the bike in this incredible wilderness of Patagonia.
Receive a great workout and keep yourself healthy with the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike. The solid frame design is strong and sturdy. 40-pound chrome flywheel provides increased stability. The unique handlebar design allows riders to utilize versatile positions with the various grips. The chain drive will give you a smooth, high-quality ride, resembling that of an outdoor bike. The heavy-duty crank system makes every pedal stroke seamless and efficient. Pedals are equipped with toe cages to keep foot in position while pedaling. Turn up the resistance with the micro-tension knob. Handbrake will slow or stop the flywheel quickly. Custom fit with the adjustable seat. Get the perfect grip with the adjustable handlebar. High-quality, smooth transportation wheels make it easy to move the bike in and out of the way. Bring out the athlete in you with the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.